Give me a few minutes and I will show you how to ethically hijack your competitors' content and then how to actually curate content across the different stages of the marketing funnel in order to properly book calls, generate more leads, as well as close more deals. So it's very important that you understand your ICP, number one. If you want to charge premium prices and service up market enterprise deals, you really want to position yourself as an expert who provides something that no one else can. The angle is how you're going to be delivering the transformation, as well as how much effort and sacrifice actually have to go into it for your ICP to get that transformation and that result. So you want to make sure that you're using personalized content at all stages of awareness and targeting. So the 5 stages, going even deeper into the unaware stage and how you can actually begin to tap into the power of this, is content marketing funnel. This is critical for understanding discovery versus getting them to actually take action on your offers. And especially with organic, not all of your leads are going to be considered the same. You have ICP scoring. So stuff like founder story versus offers are going to resonate differently across the stages of funnel. So here's another graphic. At the top of the funnel, you have people that really don't know who you are or what you even offer or your specialization or expertise. And as you go down the funnel, right, they become more aware of not only who you are, but what you can provide and the solutions that you can offer them that they didn't know existed before. And as they become more product aware, as well as aware of your expertise, this is where they actually start DMing you. You start having these conversations and you have these high ticket enterprise deals reach out to you who are your ICP. And not only do they reach out to you, but they know exactly how you can help them. And they've already considered the strategic implications for working with you. And then you have the most aware people. And those are the people that are actually in your pipeline. You've had conversations with, they've consumed tons of your content, ideally over 5 hours. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this in an automated way going into 2026 with AI agents. If you haven't already, go check out the Agent Marketplace. This is a marketplace that we are consistently releasing to. And here you're going to be able to find whether it's a cloning agent, whether it's a LinkedIn profile agent, whether it's generating slides and assets for lead magnets. So to actually get started, all you have to do is go to the ad cloning agent or the image generation agent, and you're going to want to be signed in as a user who's authenticated. And then you could click here and you're going to be able to quickly duplicate and clone the entire agent. So once you've actually cloned the agent template, you're going to see the tool there, and that's going to allow you to actually open up the workflow canvas under actions. It comes pre-configured out of the box, but if you wanted to configure, say, the image generation model to go from a standard GPT 1.5 to a Nano Banano Pro, you have all that capability in there. And then the other second point is uploading knowledge items. So knowledge items and skills as well enable you to provide custom markdown files, CSVs, and provide your agent with additional context outside of just the brand kit. See, this is our Growth Hub content marketing funnel. Let's start at the top stages of awareness and funnel downwards towards retention across our different offers. And at each stage, you're going to have different derivative assets and tactics that you can utilize to really get in front of your ICP, grab attention, and show them your offers and messaging. In 2026, AI is not going to be waiting for you to create this content. Our agents are already pumping out across all stages of the funnel. When it comes to ethically hijacking your content, you want to make sure that you first curate a viral post. This includes whether it's X or whether it's LinkedIn. Saving viral posts and high-performing posts across platforms is awesome and a goldmine for inspiration as well as reverse engineering. Coming soon as well, we're going to be releasing custom RSS feeds that you can customize based on filters and parameters, as well as top creators, so that way you can always have a continuous stream of fresh inspiration. And then you want to make sure inside of the Agent OS that you're configuring the visual identity guidelines for the brand kit. This is going to be huge for tone of voice, parameters, as well as your key messaging pillars. All this goes into the brand kit. Brand kits are unlimited, and this is going to be a foundational step for ensuring that every piece of content that gets outputted from your agents are consistent and ensuring that they're adapting for different trends and formats across different platforms while remaining, of course, entirely unique to your voice. This is the process in short. You're bookmarking, then you're setting up your agents, and then you're getting started in the engagement and generation process. There's also image refinement in there. And in my case, I'm using Buffer to actually schedule out the post at mass volume, showing you how easy this workflow is inside of my day-to-day. I do spend about 15 to 30 minutes a day where I'll already have the bookmark posts ready, and you could easily drag these in here or save them under competitor ads. And really, you're copying the reference images over, and with a very simple prompting, I do have the brand kit established here, and that's simple. It shows up by selecting the image generation itself as well as the logo. Those are some core pieces to use as a reference to really provide further reinforcing inspiration. But then just a simple prompt, I have this high quality image and output graphic. Then here you can see there was a mistake actually. So I used the image refinement by just masking over it, specifying what I needed. This is not perfect yet, so just make sure that you're specific and that you just want that small tweak. Examples, it came out perfectly after that. Here, more posts, right? You can get even more specific with the text. You can even have the agent, of course, generate you the text. You have the agent generate you the prompt. You could provide reference and have the agent without this tool actually just analyze the image and give you back the prompts. Here, utilizing my face, I'm putting myself in the actual ad, I'm customizing and reverse engineering it. Boom, like that. So I'm doing all of these within, again, 15 to 30 minutes. I already have my posts ready. I already have the prompts that I know. And while they're generating, I'm able to find more and then just consistently reverse engineer them, and doing so ethically. Again, I'm applying my logo and gradient and colors that are custom to myself. I'm also changing the copy. I'm inserting my imagery. Ethically hijacking, not just straight up stealing, is what agents and AI is going to enable here. And all of these are really high quality graphics that can be generated within literally seconds. With Nano Banano, we have the image refinement studio built in. So I hope this is painting a picture for you of how you can start generating these really high quality assets with custom agents using knowledge items, the brand kit. Just another example where the image refinement tool becomes hefty and helpful, right? I wanted to fix this and change the gradient. So I quoted it and it got a better version there. This is the content generation workflow that's helping me generate hundreds of thousands of impressions, generate leads, book more calls, and close more deals with the ICP at a high ticket enterprise level. So key takeaways that I wanted to show here: utilize the 5 stages of awareness. This is going to be critical for curating that messaging. Also, make sure that you map the customer journey out. Consider where you're sending them, whether it's a lead magnet, whether it's a booked call, whether it's an actual resource and a value. How are you actually getting them to move down the funnel in the content marketing? So you want to make sure that you leverage the agent OS and custom agents that I just went through. This is going to allow you to establish a system to produce content and ads at scale. This is creative ops in 2026. And then deploy these sub agents for further analysis as well as automation with scheduling, and you'll be able to start rapidly building out your own content marketing funnel. And all of this is going to help you generate more leads, book more calls with your ICP, and close more high ticket deals as well as scale your offer. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop comments below. Please like this video, share it with a friend. It truly helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.